Hi everyone, welcome to day 2 of the Handshake Profile Challenge. Yesterday, you should have watched the short training video that was sent to your email, downloaded the Handshake app or logged in from a computer, and you should have answered the introductory questions related to what your career interests are. Now don't worry, your interests probably will change a little bit over time, and that's perfectly normal and okay, and you can easily update your answers to those questions anytime you'd like. You just have to log into your account and select My Career Interests from the drop-down menu that you will get. Yesterday, you also should have started creating your Handshake student profile as well. And in today's video, we're going to talk about why that's so important. Now, again, it's okay if you didn't finish your profile yesterday. There was a lot of other things to do. You have all week to work on your profile, but we are going to talk about why that's so important today. So one of the biggest missions of Handshake is to help connect you with amazing career opportunities and employers that you might want to work for, no matter what your background is and what school you attend. Whether that's a local or a national employer, Handshake is here to help. So you can see here that we have many local employers that are connected with us here on JCC in a variety of industries. And this is just a sample. We actually have hundreds of local employers that are connected with us. And nationally overall in Handshake, there are over 650,000 employers that are using Handshake to find talent. Now remember, Handshake is goal-oriented and its mission is around college students and early grads. So the recruiters that are using this platform are looking for early talent and to help you launch your career in that way. There have been 1.5 million jobs and internships across all industries posted to Handshake just within the last year. So you can see that Handshake is an incredible resource that you have at your fingertips as a JCC student. Now, your profile is super important because recruiters have the ability to view your profile page, message you, and invite you to apply to opportunities that you might be a very good fit for. We had a recent JCC grad actually get hired this summer at a local manufacturer this way. She was contacted through her Handshake profile, and she started the job recently this summer. Another one of our JCC students was recently invited to apply to an internship at Amazon through Handshake. So you can see setting up your profile and having a complete profile can be a huge asset to your career and the opportunities that might be available for you. Now, recruiters are not the only ones who can reach out and get conversations going. So I want to take a second to demo and show you a little bit about how you can do that too. So you can find employers in a couple of different ways. First, you can come up to this Career Center tab when you're logged into your account, and this is going to bring you to the JCC Career Center. And you can see here that we have some employer collections that we have curated for you. So you can search for employers maybe that are really close to campus, or if you're looking for an internship or hires from our school. So you can click on this collection and you will see a bunch of employers that we have tagged who meet this collection title and are available for you here. You also can navigate to the employers tab, of course, and you can filter in by any search criteria you want. You can do by location if you want, or you can search for a particular employer by name. You also can search by industry and a couple other different things. So just for an example, I'm going to put in one of our local employers here. And when you type that in, their name will pop up. When you click on their page, the employer gets a profile page just like you have a profile page. If you click this star button here, you can follow the employer, and this is very important because then you can be alerted to opportunities that they post or events that they might be attending on campus or in the community. You can read reviews if any former students or interns have left a review for what it's like to work there. And you can also learn a little bit about what their interviewing process is like if anyone has left a review for that. When you scroll down on the employer page, obviously you can find out about the employer. You can see students who have previously worked there. And if you click on the student's name, it will give you the opportunity to message them. And this is a great way for you to get some more insight into what it's really like to work there, what their internship was like, and make your connections and grow your network that way. Obviously, you can see any jobs that are available at the site, and then you can also see staff who works there. So if you click on the staff's profile, you can send a message to them. So just like the recruiter can search for students and message students that they think might be a good fit, you can search for employers and recruiters that you think you might be a good fit for and you would like to work for, and you can send them a message and reach out and inquire about any openings. So that is a really fantastic tool that you have at your fingertips here. And the last thing I want to point out in this video today is the jobs tab. Now, just like any other job board, you will enter in your search criteria to get a list of opportunities that are available. So just for this video, I'm going to search for Jamestown, and I'm going to search part-time jobs. And you can see 237 jobs that are part-time within the area are listed here. So we'll just say that I am interested in this position here. Obviously, like any other job board, it's going to show you the application deadline. It's going to be a real quick link for you to apply. You can save it with this flag here. And then up here at the top where it says saved, you'll be able to find all of the jobs that you have saved to save yourself time a little bit later. You can find out, more about the role, more about the company, and then at the very bottom, you can see other jobs that Handshake thinks you might be interested in based on this position here. So that's just a little bit about how the employers tab and the job tab works. So today, what we would like you to do, just a couple of things, is we would like you to spend some time exploring this. Find some employers that seem interesting to you and follow at least 3 of them. And then also take some time and look for some jobs. Now, it's okay if you're not ready to apply right now. You certainly don't have to be. But if you look at a job or an internship description and read through that, it will give you an idea of what employers are looking for. And you can have that kind of in the back of your mind as you're kind of navigating your career journey. So we just want you to follow 3 employers that sound interesting to you and save at least 1 job that sounds interesting to you. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and stay tuned tomorrow for our next video.